Tom, this is my 2-year-old 3-in-1 apple. I started pruning it the other day and then I had to leave and ended up stopping. But now I've got apple blossoms coming off and want to know if I should prune this back, if I should cut all these off. I've been trying to cut it down about 1/3. So, you know, it's January 30th, warm, I think summer's come. What would you recommend? Do I cut 1/3 of this off? Do I let it completely blossom out and then cut it back? And should I be cutting off the ends of each of the branches to promote more growth? Like I've done here? Or do I let the branches go? But, you know, I don't want it to get more than 10 feet tall, so that's my question. Do I finish pruning it now? Cut these back to about the same level here. I've already cut the tops here. I haven't cut this one. Oh yeah, I did. So, I've cut these. Have not cut this one. Have not cut these. So I understand I'm supposed to cut about 1/3 each time. Kind of hollow out the center. So should I be cutting off these here? Your input would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. Just FYI, here's the kind of the rest of my gardens. There's a couple nectarines. I've got an orange there. Got a dead peach. I cut that way back. Got 3 pears. Then here's my wife's raised garden beds. She's in the Master Gardener course right now. Loves your lectures. And we've got some blueberries back here, and a grape or whatever it's called, and then this is a tangerine. Yes. Tangerine over here. So we're trying to do our part here. Appreciate your feedback. Thanks a lot, Tom.